Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening device's settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Then select Power New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now you need to select Pair in it and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget, and choosing Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!